Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuide. Today I will show you how to insert table in Canva. So if you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an updates from us. Over here I am in Canva workspace. To insert table, first we need to go to elements and search for table and hit enter. Over here is table option. Click on see all and you can see here are different types of table in Canva. So I will go with this first one. Over here you can see I have one table which have 4 rows and 3 columns. Now we can add and remove these rows and columns as per our need. For that, all you need to do is right click over here and you can see here is add rows and add columns. First of all, I'll add one column. Then what I need to do is click on this add column. You can see here there were 3 columns, now we have 4. So if I want to delete this column, then all I need to do is right click over here and you can see here delete column. You can see here is red outline to the column which I want to delete. Then if we click on delete, you can see here this column is deleted. In this way we can create table of our desired row by column in Canva. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.